This is the FBall F77 epoxy resin, damp-proof membrane. So part 1 and part 2. There's enough room in this tin to mix this hardener totally into there. Mix it with a whisk, get rid of that. This can then be applied using this very fine trowel. It's a one-coat system on most surfaces, unless the surface is very porous. If after application there's not a consistent, even shine over the whole floor, and it's been sucked into the an absorbent surface, and you need to put the second coat on. But most of the time it is a one-coat system, and the manufacturer's video will follow.
Stopgap F77 is a solvent-free two-part epoxy resin system which cures to provide a waterproof surface membrane. It is pigmented black to allow the user to visually control coverage uniformity. It can isolate residual construction moisture where relative humidity values are up to 98%. Stopgap F77 can also be applied over an underfloor heating system. For specific guidelines for use with this type of system, please refer to the product datasheet. Resin and hardener are supplied in the correct quantities for mixing without measuring. Mix only in full packs, as mixing ratios are critical. Empty all the contents of the hardener container into the resin container. Then thoroughly mix using a power whisk fitted in a low-speed electric drill. Mix until a uniform color and consistency is achieved. Mix for 2 minutes. Then scrape the sides of the container to ensure that the hardener component has been thoroughly mixed. And mix for a further 2 to 3 minutes. Stopgap F77 hardens by chemical reaction. It is important that once mixed, the membrane is applied immediately to the subfloor. Pour the mixed product onto the floor and spread the material using a 1.5 mm by 5 mm or A2 trowel. Then, using a pre-coated roller, roll the material to obtain an even, pinhole-free coating. When the membrane has fully cured, apply neat Stopgap P131 primer before the application of an appropriate Stopgap smoothing underlayment.